Hi, this is Wayne from Inkish at Printpack India. I'm now with Bindwell and I'm with Sajid, the Managing Director. Nice to meet you, Sajid. Bindwell, the name probably explains a little bit more about the company, but do you want to tell us what you've got on display here at the show?
Okay, so we are South Asia's largest manufacturer of bookbinding machines. Uh, India being one of the largest consumers of books. We are India's largest.
Yeah.
So 7 out of 10 books made in India, we have got something to do with that.
Wow.
And we are also we manufacture our machines in Bengaluru, which is south of India. And we address markets other than India, like many of the countries in Africa and also Southeast Asia. We make the full range of soft cover bookbinding machines, starting from a one book model or a book of one, where a binder has a speed of 1,000 books per hour, but every book is a different book.
Yes.
And then we go from there to short runs, to medium runs, and to long runs.
Right.
So anywhere from a speed of, anywhere from a lot of one book to even hundred thousands of books, like which is the textbooks and educational books. We have the complete solutions for offline, nearline, and inline solutions.
Okay, so a complete portfolio really. So how is the book market at the moment? I mean, is it growing? I mean, we're hearing about India as an emerging country. Is it stable? Is it growing? Where is it at the moment?
So book market is definitely stable for sure, and we are seeing growth. The growth is in terms of the total number of books. I would not say, because the number of students remain the same. And let me differentiate both.
Yeah.
There are these trade books and the educational books. The trade books, we see growth in terms of more people reading books. Yeah, that's a slow growth.
Yeah.
But education, definitely there's a huge growth.
Right.
And during the pandemic, a lot of this shifted to digital, and online education became more and more popular. But now we see a reverse of trends, and there is more requirement coming in. And for educational institutions, books is a form of ensuring that there is their brand in that.
Right.
Once you pass on to a student something on the soft level in a digital this thing, it is lost.
Exactly, yeah. Keeping people off of iPads is a great thing, isn't it?
Absolutely.
So your customers, are they exporting a lot of the books that they're producing, or is it for the domestic market?
Okay, so if you look at the top 10 book producers in India, 8 of them are our customers.
Right.
Some of the others also have European machines from Culbers and Muller-Martini and things like that, who are the leaders in this segment. But in India, we are definitely the largest.
Right.
And we are seeing the same trend happening many of these exports are happening to countries in Africa, which is again education, like Nigeria, Kenya, and all these markets are important. And now there is a lot of shift also happening. Those countries are also creating their own infrastructure.
Yeah.
The biggest challenge for Africa today is availability of paper.
Yeah.
Once that becomes more available, then setting up a printing press is not that difficult. So there we again are leaders in supplying the machines. So yes, domestically, domestic consumption is still big. I mean, India requires roughly about, the government alone prints about 2 billion textbooks every year. So it's a huge number. Yeah.
That's quite a number. That's quite a number. So Bindwell as a company, you do export to African countries. Are you looking to develop that? Are you looking to grow that further markets, maybe Europe?
So with the kind of machines which used to make till about 2020 were more tuned for markets like India, Africa, and some part of Southeast Asia.
Yeah.
Now with our book of one model, the trimmer of one model, and short run solutions, we definitely are looking at the global market.
Right.
And this time we will be there in Uncle Innovation Days. We have a booth there.
Oh, you're
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So we would want to understand the global market for short run and digital print market.
Right.
We also want to be part of an ecosystem,
Yeah.
talk to our future partners, and so on and so forth.
Yeah, well, HID is the perfect environment for that. We're media partners at HID this year. So will you be bringing potential customers over, or is it just a fact-finding mission for you?
We want to talk about India there. What is needed for development of digital print in India with respect to books. Because whatever said and done, this is our home country, and this is where we are strongest, and we see a lot of scope. but we are not very sure whatever is happening today is the right way of development. So we would want to talk to potential partners there in terms of what India is holding as an opportunity and seek their help in developing the market well. So we'll start home very strongly. So we are not in Hunkler to sell our equipment there. We are there to talk to partners so that we can create a system in a country like India and then maybe partners for selling our equipment.
Well, developing partnerships, HID is the perfect environment for that. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you very much.
It's been very interesting talking to you. Have a great show and we'll see you in Lucerne.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.